Okay, now we'll proceed next part of definite integral. So this part you will learn the characteristic of definite integral, or what we call law of definite integral. So we will have 5 laws here. So first law that you need to know, when you integrate a to a for any function, you will obtain 0. So I give you one example. Let's say if we want to integrate from 1 to 1 for x dx. So why your answer is 0? Because of, if you integrate like this, it will be x power 1 plus 1 become x power 2, 1 to 1. So when you substitute 1 square minus 1 square, you will obtain answer 0. So memorize, for the first law, if you have the same number, one number to the same number, you do integration, you will get 0. Area is 0. And then for question B, the law number B here, integrate AB. If you want to change the place for AB, you will need to put a negative in front. B and A can change place. I take another example. Let's say integrate 0 to 1 for 3 dx. Then integrate 3, I will have 3x. So substitute 0 and 1. Then 3 times 0 minus 3 times 1 minus 3 times 0, then I obtain answer is 3. What happens if I change 0 and 1? 1 until 0 for 3 dx. So what happens is something like this. You see what happened? 0, 1. Then here I will have 3 times 0 minus 3 times 1. So my answer is minus 3. So have you noticed that 1 is 3, 1 is minus 3? So we can make conclusion for second law. AB, integrate A to B. If you want to change the place for AB, you will need to put a minus in front to make it equivalent. And then part C, law number C, if you have integrate AB, KFX. K is a constant. If you have constant like this, you can bring the constant go out. Okay, you can bring the constant go out. You will obtain the same answer. What I mean, like example, if I have integrate 4kx dx, integrate from 1 to 2, then I can rewrite become 4 integrate 1 to kx dx. Because the number, what we do when we do integration, the number we only copy, right? The number did not influence the answer for integration. So that's why for third law, we can bring out the constant, go outside. Okay, law number 4, just like the connecting flight. Okay, example, I go from Kuching to Cebu. Then these two must be the same. Then you can connect the flight B. I take one flight from Kuching to Cebu. Then I take another flight from Cebu to Miri. So meaning that I can combine become actually I travel from Kuching to Miri. So Kuching to Miri. So next law, just like connecting flight. A go to B plus B go to C. Provided middle here must be the same. If different, cannot apply this law. Just like connecting flight. So connect become A go to C. Remember this thing, And then B must be in between A and C. And then next law, integrate A to B for these two functions. You can integrate one by one, separate like this. So let's look at example 12. So given that integrate 1, 3 for fx is 4, integrate 3, 5 for fx is 3, integrate this is 12. So 5, 3, 1. So you try to double check what's the differences. 1, 3 now become 3, 1, meaning that answer is 4. So now the answer is negative 4. And then for second one, find integrate 1, 3 fx plus gx. So this one you can apply the last law. Separate it like this. So fx can become integrate fx, integrate gx. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. So integrate fx is 4 plus 12. So your answer is 16. And then law number C is integrate 1 to 5. For fx, you have this and this. So you can use the connecting flight. 1 to 3, 3 to 5. So connect together. Actually is 4 plus 3, getting 7. So this is how we apply the law. So look at example 13. Given that integrate 2 to 5 for fx is 12. Find the value of h if this one. So we'll start to do with this. So what we do is basically this one, you see you subtract these two, subtract these two become this, and then the number constant hash you can bring it out. So you have hash integrate to 5 fx copy down dx minus integrate to 25 3 dx and then equals to 51. So this part you know answer is 12. So 12 times hash you have 12 hash minus this one you just integrate like usual, 3 copy become x and then bracket 2 to 5 52, and then this part you do like usual, substitute 5 minus 2 and then you just go to solve. You can get a hash value equals to 5. So now your task 3.5 self practices, self exercises need to do. Okay, I will choose question for you. Question, you do question 1b, 1d and also 1e, and then question 2 you will need to do question C, question F. After that you do question 3 and question 4.